You're going to skip the ladies' rotation. This time you want to end up in a direction when man is facing the audience, and we're going to change the way we're holding. Our hands will go down, the man's palms are below the lady's palms. Then we're taking a step away from each other, lady with the left leg backward, right leg forward, left leg backward. Man is going to mirror those steps, taking a step backward with the right leg, forward with the left leg, back with the right. Make sure not to switch your legs meanwhile. This is very, very important. Same leg goes forward all the time. Remember about also bending your knees to make the motion fluent. Also notice that the way we're holding is sort of switching meanwhile. We're not stopping to do that, we're just taking a step away and our hands are sliding into their new position. After those 3 steps away and to each other, on the 4th step, lady is going to take a step forward with the right leg. This time, start rotating counterclockwise. Step with the right leg, rotate. Connect your feet, tap with the left leg, but stay on the right leg. Now the men's part, we're away from each other. The 4th step forward with the left leg, raise your left hand up and go slightly to your left to pass your partner. Step, rotate to face the partner, do not switch your body weight, stay on your left leg, tap with the right one. And as before, continue with the next step backward with the right leg. Ladies, after your rotation, you will take a step backward with your left leg. On the count of 1, then back to each other, 2, 3, away from each other, and now we're going to repeat the ladies' rotation, same as we did before. Right leg forward for the ladies, rotate, tap with the leg, and with the next step away from each other. Let's now dance this entire part so you can see it all. And we're in the frame after the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.